Hey, what's happening, Flex Squad? Thank you for joining. We got a 10-minute weighted leg workout here. So grab your dumbbells. Does not matter what size you have. It's just to throw you in that extra challenge. All right, put them to the side for now. We're going to warm it on up. Give me some knee pulls right here. Bring that knee in. Each knee in toward the chest. Exhale that breath. Just to work on a little bit of flexibility. Great job. Again, this workout, 10 minutes. It's gonna be real quick, but you get out as much as you put into it, okay? So you want some harder workout, grab some heavier weights. If you're not feeling all energized today, that's okay. Grab some lighter weights, give me some butt kicks, heels up. All right, that's the side view. Heart rate's going, breathing going, loosening up those knee joints, warming up the back of the leg, those hamstrings. Good, keep it breathing, everybody. All right, so 10 minutes, no break in between. We got a finisher at the end, and I'll let you know when we get into that, okay? A little surprise for you. All right, go ahead and grab your weights, starting with some back lunges here. You're gonna step 1 foot back and up. Knees 90 degrees, back is nice and tall. Holding that balance. Stepping that foot back just enough so that you can bend that knee. All right. Trying to get that back knee towards the ground. Front knee right over that front ankle. Good. Nice job, everybody. Okay, we got back-to-back exercises, 2 sets. This exercise number 1, set number 1. Just do what you can. Anytime during the workout, if that weight starts getting too heavy for you, start losing that form. Form is getting compromised. Drop it to a lighter set if you have it, or simply just put the weights down. All right, right here, calf raises, feet shoulder width apart. Lift up on those heels. Side view, right here. Okay, nice and easy. Keep going. Good, we're gonna switch up the angles of our toes. For the last 30 seconds, they're pointing outwards. Lifting up right here. Okay, so toes, feet are making that V. Working those calves, controller coming up, controller coming down. Nice and easy. Small movement, working the lower legs here, working those calves. Good. Stay balanced, back is nice and tall. Weights, just adding in that extra challenge once again. All right, back into that back lunge one more time. Coming down and up. Good. Keep that back tall, okay? Don't lean it forward. Do not be here. Keep it balanced. Nice solid ground. Coming down and up. It's nice to have, if you have a mirror nearby too, you can go in and grab it. Put it next to you so you can see your form. That's always helpful in weightlifting. Good. Again, you're working for that goal here. Stronger legs, burning those calories, getting fit, whatever your goal is, you're working for right here, right now. So again, you get out of the workout as much as you're putting into it. But remember, it takes time to build that muscle, to build that strength, to burn that fat. All right, so just doing what you can, sticking with the routine, staying committed. So it's nice if you just subscribe to the channel. You stay up to date with all my workouts. I post workouts weekly, so you always have something new each week to try to help you stay on that routine. If you don't have a routine, make one today. All right, figure out what you want to do, what you're reaching for. All right, toes out again. Heels in, lift it up. Again, this is a journey for you, okay? If you're just starting, if you're new to this fitness game, you're starting on the journey, welcome. Day 1 starts here, starts right now. If you've been in this game, You're just trying to change up your workout, learn something new. Good job. It's always about challenging yourselves, finding something new to do. Figure out some new way to work out those muscles, just to change it up. Alright, go ahead and relax. Go ahead and put one weight down. We're gonna get into a hamstring curl here. Alright, so one weight right in front. Leaning forward, chest towards the ground. One leg's coming up. Bend that knee. We'll do one side first. Second set, we'll do the other side. Okay. Further you're leaning forward. If you're here, it's a little bit harder to balance. If you're here, you could extend that leg a little bit further out. Get a lot more out of it. Okay. Keep that weight out. Don't let it drop here. Keep it out. Nice angle. Working some shoulders here. Working balance. Supporting leg. Good. 20 seconds left. Then we're going into a goblet squat. Anytime that weight starts getting heavy, just put it down and just work the balance yourself. Good. Alright, goblet squat. Hold that weight. You could hold it here or you could hold it here if you have a smaller weight. Feet nice and wide though. And down and up. Pull those hips forward as you come on up. Just so that your back is nice and tall. We don't need to round your back. Alright, if you're pulling in your hips so much, you start rounding it, you start arching that back. Don't do it as much, okay? As much as your back is nice and tall. Feet out, toes wider than your knees. Okay, so if you're having trouble with the knees coming out, widen that stance, okay? Give me a little bit more. Inch those feet out a little bit further. Good. Again, you can hold that weight here or you can hold it here. If that weight starts getting too heavy for you, simply no weight is okay too. And you just go into a sumo squat. Alright, hamstring curl. Other leg, left leg out. Weight out, curl. One side might be easier to balance on. That's normal. Just do what you can. If you're wobbling all over the place, take your time. No rush here, okay? It's always about the form. Quality over quantity. Perfect form means you get less out of it. That's okay. Over time, you build that strength up. You'll build that muscle memory. Alright? And you'll get better at it. Especially if you're new to the game. Alright, if this is your day one, that's okay. You're doing what you can. You're learning. Evolving. Good. Alright, goblet squat one more time. Hold it this way. Hold it this way, but feet wide, toes outwards. You could be here. Hold it here. Or simply hold it here, depending on your weight. Alright, if you have a smaller weight again, you would hold it this way probably. Good. Again, inner thighs are working a little bit harder. Goblet squat, pull those hips forward. Activate the glutes, back of those legs. Exhale that breath as you come on up. Good job, everybody. Again, our finisher is coming up next. Almost there. 10 more seconds. Nice work today. Alright, here we go. Last move. Hip bridges with that weight. Head down, feet flat, hip up and down. Feet flat against the ground. Upper back nice and flat. Hips reaching up to the ceiling. Nice and hard. Get a good squeeze in the back of the legs, in those glutes. Good job, everybody. Nice work today, squad. Again, it's always about doing what you can. I'm right here along with you on that fitness journey that you're working on, okay? Reaching that goal, remember, create a goal. If you don't have a goal right now, If you have a goal, reach for it, work for it. Stay driven, stay motivated, stay working, stay flexed, remember that. Alright, go ahead and relax. Put the weights to the ground on the side, flip it on the stomach. Let's stretch it out. Nice job today. Quad stretch here, heel in towards your bottom, pull that foot in nice and tight. Keep breathing, keep sweating. Again, it's always nice to recover after each workout here, so if you need more of a stretch and recovery, check out my stretch and recovery videos. Just to give you a little bit more, helps you with flexibility, helps you go on to that next workout the next day or whenever that next one is. Sit it back, hands forward. Even if it's a de-stressor, working out is a de-stress for you, that's okay. That's awesome. Alright, bring it here. Arch it up, chin down. Arch it down, chin up. Arch it up. We worked a little bit of the back with the hamstring curls here. You might have felt some tension in it as you were trying to balance. Alright, take one foot, breathe up. Lean into that bent knee. Nice good stretch in the hips here. Alright, switch stance. Opposite other foot forward, knee bent. Lean into it. Nice and tight. Feel the stretch. Alright, bring it on back up. Hands down. Downward dog. Heels back. Stretching out the calves from the calf raises. Hips up to the ceiling. Walk those feet towards your hands. Hang it down. Hamstring stretch. Head down. Legs straight. Roll it up nice and slow. Alright. Nice, good inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Again, if you like this video, you want to see more weighted videos, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what kind of workouts you're looking for, what kind of body parts you're aiming to hit. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Got new workouts weekly. Until next time, stay fit, stay flex. Have a great day.